Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a messy bun on medium to short length hair. I cut my hair into a lob earlier this summer and it has grown out a little bit, but I still can't do many of the hairstyles that I used to do when my hair was about down to my hips. So I've had to improvise and come up with some new styles that work for this length of hair, and this messy bun is one of them. For this style, you don't need any products. If you want, you can use some dry shampoo to start and give your hair a little bit of texture. If you already have texture and your hair holds well, you can skip that step. You will need some hair elastics, 2 to be exact, and some bobby pins. I like using 2 different kinds. These large ones that are actually meant for rollers and then just regular size ones. Another optional product would be some hairspray to finish it off. Again, I didn't use that today. I wasn't in the mood to put products in my hair, so you don't really need that either unless your hair does not hold well. So that's everything you need to know about this hairstyle. Let's go ahead and get started. And we're going to start by putting our hair in a ponytail on the very top of our head. And if your hair is the length that mine is, you'll have some pieces fall down behind you that won't quite make it up into the elastic, but that's okay, we'll deal with those at the very end. Okay, so now that our hair is in a high ponytail, we are going to, sorry, I can't tell if this is straight. It's good enough. We are going to spread the ponytail around the elastic. So you're gonna look kind of like an octopus at first. And the important part, I look ridiculous, with this step is you want the hair pieces to cover the elastic as much as possible. Okay, so now that you've done that and you look completely ridiculous, take a second elastic and you're going to wrap this around the hair that is spread over the first elastic. The next thing that you're going to do is pull this tiny bun that you've created here. You're going to pull all the little pieces out to try to make that little bun larger. And now you'll see that there are all of these end pieces sticking out of the bun. I'm going to wrap it all in one section around the base of the ponytail. Okay, so now we've dealt with all of those strange loose ends, and this is where the styling part kind of comes into play. So I'm going to take regular size bobby pins now and pin down this larger bun. Okay, so I finished pinning down all of those pieces, and I like the way that the bun itself looks. I'll show you what the back looks like. And so now I'm going to start pulling out pieces around here to give me a little bit more volume and make it look a little less severe. And now we have the dreaded short little piece of hair at the back that you will know if you are a short to medium length hair person. This little piece of hair, there's always a little strand that will not fit in the ponytail, it will not fit in the bun, and it looks kind of silly. So I'm going to go ahead and pin this up, obviously, it's not a part of the look. A lot of people will use a bobby pin for this piece of hair, and they will put the bobby pin in horizontally like this. Or I've seen some people make an X and use 2 pins, but my favorite way to do it is to actually open the bobby pin and get the little prongs around the strand of hair and then pin vertically going downwards. So I'll turn around and show you how to do that. that is the final tutorial. So I hope you liked it. If you have any requests for other hairstyles for medium to short length hair, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I will do my best. If I have a style that I know works for me, then I will film it and share it with you all. I hope that you liked this video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.